Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting your capture pipeline ready. Install OBS Studio and the Stream FX or Shader Filter plugin so you can apply post effects. Once done, set Valorant to windowed borderless or use OBS Game Capture to avoid frame drops. Make sure you pick a stable output, 60 FPS and a fixed resolution like 1920 by 1080 so the motion blur looks consistent. Don't waste time tweaking art. Get clean. Steady frames first because blur relies on frame continuity. Next, add the shader filter to your Valorant capture source. Open Filters, click plus, pick Shader Filter or Stream FX Motion Blur. Then select a Motion Blur or Directional Blur preset and bind it to the game source. Tune the strength and sample count. Higher samples give smoother trails but cost CPU/GPU. For gameplay, keep direction tied to camera or screen motion. For recordings, a camera-centered radial option can look good. Test short clips to see how parameters affect clarity. Finish by recording several short gameplay clips and review them at normal speed to decide on subtle versus heavy blur. If you notice motion trails hiding enemy movement or causing perceived input lag, dial the strength down and drop sample count. Subtle is usually better for fast shooters. If stuttering or frame drops appear, enable OBS hardware encoding or reduce shader complexity. If filters fail to apply, confirm plugin versions, match your OBS build, and restart OBS and Valorant before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.